You're sitting at the computer trying to plan a little trip. Maybe it's a getaway with your spouse, or a visit to see the grandkids, or a few days somewhere you've always wanted to go. And the screen is just a mess. You've got a tab open for hotels, a tab for the weather, a tab for that restaurant somebody mentioned, a tab for things to do. They're all piling up, and the whole time, this nagging worry sits in the back of your mind. What am I forgetting to book? Did I leave a whole day with nothing planned? Your head is spinning and you haven't even packed a bag yet. I know that feeling well. So today, I want to clear all those tabs away and make this simple. By the end of this video, you'll be able to get a full day-by-day trip plan with places to eat included in about 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly what to type. It's a lot easier than you'd think. Quick hello if you're new here, I'm Brandon, and this is Finally Get AI, where we make this stuff make sense in plain English. No jargon, no dumb questions ever. Okay, let's get into it. And to make it even easier, I made you a free one-page guide called the AI Trip Planner Checklist. It's a fill-in-the-blank planning line, plus a short list of details to add so the plan comes back realistic. You print it, fill in your trip, and you're ready. The link below will email it right to you, no charge. Go grab it and follow along with me. Okay, here's the whole thing, and it's just 2 steps. You tell the AI 4 things about your trip in one message. Then, if the plan isn't quite right, you fix it with one short follow-up line. That's the whole trick. And don't worry about fancy wording. You talk to it like you'd talk to a friend who happens to be great at planning trips. First, where do you type this? You open an AI chatbot. That's just a website or an app like ChatGPT where you type a message and it types back. Think of it like texting a really patient travel helper who never gets tired of your questions. Now here are the 4 things to tell it. Just 4. Where you're going, when, how much you want to spend, and who's coming. That's it. The AI does its best work when you tell it those 4 things up front, the same way a good travel agent would ask you before planning anything. So let me just do it right here in front of you, make it a little easier. Say my wife and I want a long weekend in Charleston, South Carolina. Okay, so watch what I type. Plan a 3-day trip to Charleston, South Carolina for 2 people the first weekend in October. Our budget is about $1,000, not counting the hotel. We like history, good food, and a relaxed pace. Give me a simple day-by-day plan with a few places to eat each day. Notice I didn't use any special words. I just said where, when, how much, and who. Then I told it the kind of trip we like, and then you hit enter. Okay, so I hit send. We just give it a second. Okay. Okay, now look at this. It laid the whole thing out here. It even included some pictures here, which is awesome. So here's day 1, Friday, historic Charleston. So the morning, arrive and settle into your hotel, take a leisurely walk, see Rainbow Row, stroll along the Battery, and it keeps going. Day 2, day 3, something for the morning, something for the afternoon, and a few places to even eat each day. Look at that, the blank page is gone. That whole pile of browser tabs, you don't need them. The hardest part, knowing where to even start, that's done for you right there. Now here's the step that makes all the difference, and it's so simple. The first plan is almost never perfect, and that's completely fine and normal. You don't start over, you just reply to it the same way you'd reply to a person. Say the plan looks a little packed, like it's got you running all day, okay? So you'll just type this, come down here and click on the box. This feels too busy. slow it down and give us more time to just relax. Okay, and then we'll hit enter and we'll wait a little bit till it responds. And look, it rewrote the whole thing. Calmer. See how it spaced that out. Something in the afternoon, light exploring, just dinner and then linger, go back to the hotel early or take a slow night walk, no packed plans. Maybe your knees aren't what they used to be, okay? So what we'd do is we'd come down here into the box where we type and we'd just type, keep the walking easy. No long walks or lots of stairs. That's a good one, okay? And then you hit enter. And then it readjusts the plan. Or maybe, budget came back higher than you wanted, okay? So what we'll do is we'll come down here again into the box and you'll just say, show me some cheaper options instead. Okay, and then hit enter. And you wait a little bit and here we go. Now it comes up with a little bit more of a budget-friendly and relaxed, low walking, comfortable pace plan for Charleston, okay? It finds them, you can keep going as long as you like. Add a rainy day idea, put in a quiet morning, we don't eat seafood, anything. It never gets annoyed and it never makes you feel silly or dumb for asking. It'll happily try again as many times as it takes to get it right just for you. Now, one small but important tip before we wrap up. When you're planning, you can leave out anything truly private. Okay, the AI doesn't need your home address, your flight number, or your booking codes to build you a good plan. Tell it the city and the dates, and that's plenty. And you do the actual booking yourself on the real hotel and airline websites with your private details kept off the chat. That's it. That's the whole habit. Tell it your 4 things, get your plan, then fix it with one short line at a time until it's exactly the trip you want. So let's go over it one more time because it really is this simple. Step 1, in one message, tell the AI 4 things: where you're going, when, how much you want to spend, and who's coming. Then ask for a simple day-by-day plan with a few places to eat. Step 2, read it over and fix it with one short line at a time. Slow it down, or keep the walking easy, or show me cheaper options. Keep going until you're happy. It's your trip. And keep your private details, your address, and your booking codes off the chat. You handle the booking yourself. That's how you turn a dozen messy tabs into a calm, day-by-day plan in about 2 minutes. Here's my little nudge for you. That trip you've been meaning to plan, the one that keeps getting put off, go open a chatbot today and try just this. I think you'll be surprised how good it feels to see the whole thing laid out in front of you finally. And grab that free AI trip planner checklist if you haven't yet. The link below will email it right to you with a fill-in planning line and the list of details to add. It's a handy little thing to keep by the computer. If this helped, do me a favor and share it with someone who's got a trip coming up. They'll thank you for it. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. Come tell me where you're headed. I'd really love to hear about it. See you next time.